Chapter 28. The Pride of the Country. Patriotism is the feeling of love, devotion and sense of attachment to one's country. Every country has its own identity, be it a monument, a landmark, an animal, clothes or food. The citizens, animals and clothes make the country unique. Let me answer. Do you know kangaroo cannot move backward? Look at the pictures and name the country that identifies itself with and takes pride in them. City 1. New Delhi. Country India. 2. New York. Country USA. 3. Tokyo. Country Japan. 4. Cairo. Country Egypt. 5. Rome, Italy. Teacher's note: divide the class into groups and discuss the national symbols of India. Info bits: India has more diversity than any other country in the world. High mountains, seas and ocean on its coastline. Hot and cold deserts, dense forests and plateaus.